Hello everyone, I am Dawal Japati, a math teacher. Today we will start class 9, chapter number 7, a triangle. In earlier standard, we already learned about triangle. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a polygon with three corners or vertices and three sides or edge which are line segment. Let us see different types of triangle. Triangle can be classified in two ways. Number one, by sides, and number two, by angles. Let us see first by sides. There are three types of triangle by sides. Number one, equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three equal sides. Let us see one example. In this figure, we have triangle STU and all the sides ST, TU and SU are equal 5 cm. That's why we can say that this one is our equilateral triangle. Second one is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has only two equal sides. Look at this example. In this figure ABC, we can see that line segment AB and line segment AC both are 3.5 cm. Okay, that's why we can say that this triangle is our isosceles triangle. Third one is scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle that has no equal sides. Okay, that means scalene triangle have no any equal sides. Look at this example. In this figure, we can say that AB is equal to 4.5 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm and AC is equal to 4 cm. That's why we can say that here AB is not equal to BC and BC is not equal to AC. That's why this is our scalene triangle. Now let us see another way of triangle. Triangle by angles. There are three types of angles. In earlier standard, we already learned about acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. So by using this angle, we can identify three different types of triangle. Let us see. First one is acute angle triangle. In an acute angle triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degree. That's why all angles are acute angles. Look at this figure. In this figure, we can say that all the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay? Two angles are 75 degrees, then another angle is 30 degree. That's why we can say that this type of triangle is our acute angle triangle. Second one is obtuse angle triangle. An obtuse angle triangle has one angle that is greater than 90 degree. Look at this figure. Look at this. Here angle of P is 105 degree. That means it's the more than 90 degree. And another two angles are acute angles. So this type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Third one is right angle triangle. A right angle triangle has one angle is 90 degree. Look at this figure. In this figure we can see that one angle is 90 degree. That's why we can say that this type of triangle is known as a right angle triangle. Now let us discuss about congruence of triangle. Congruence, it means equal figure whose shape and size both are same. That's called a congruence of triangle. Let us see criteria of congruence of triangle. Two triangles are congruous if two
two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangles. This is called the SAS congruency rule.
Second rule is ASA congruency rule. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Angle side congruency rules. Two triangles are congruent if any two pair of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. We may call it as the AAS congruency rule. Next one is SSS congruency. If three sides of the triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, this type of triangles are called congruents. Last rule is RHS rules. If two right angle triangle, if the length of the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle is equal to the length of the hypotenuse and corresponding sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.